finally I have some time to dedicate to the bike and to this channel. So hold on with me and I'll explain you everything. Hello, and what's been going on with me, you might ask? This is what's been happening. I picked up this nice bike, brand new, almost 2.5 weeks ago. And I rode it immediately from the dealer to my garage. And it's just been sitting here for the last 2.5 weeks. I haven't had any time at all to ride it. First week that I got it, I had to travel for business. I was the whole week out. Last week I had other stuff that I had to do. I had absolutely no time. The weather was not great, but no time to ride. And finally this week I have time to dedicate to the bike. So what am I going to do? I'm going to ride it, of course, but first we need to do some mods and make the bike a little bit more ready. So I'll show you everything that I'm planning for this bike in this video. Alright, so talking of mods, I have a few things already here. First thing will be this tender cable that I'm going to install so that I can keep the battery always up and running. This is something that I'm going to use later. This is some protective film for the TFT instrument panel, so it doesn't get any scratches. I want to put it on as early as possible to make sure nothing gets damaged. These are some adjustable levers that I bought on eBay. They're cheap Chinese, and actually I don't really like them, so I might not use them. And finally, there is a radiator guard that I want to install. So this also came in the meantime. These are the side cases for the bike. See the cases that will go here, so I can travel with some clothes. They come with the bike from factory, but not really from factory. They get installed at the dealer, and they were not available when I picked up the bike. They finally arrived, and then the installation kit was also not available. And finally, last week it arrived. I picked everything up, and the dealer was going to install them, but I said, no, I want to do it, and I want to do a video for it. And then in the weekend, so today is Tuesday, in the weekend I am going to ride to Germany. There's some nice twisties there, and I want to do some twisties to do the break-in for the bike. So that's about 800 kilometers, plus a few kilometers that I'll be doing in the meantime. It should get me to 1000. That's when I'll do the service to change the oil. That's already scheduled for next week, Tuesday, so 1 week from now. So basically I have to do almost 1000 kilometers in 1 week, which is fine. And then after that service, so the weekend after this one, I'm going again to Germany, but this time further. I'm going to the Harz Mountains, which I've never been to. My friends have been there, and I'm going with a big group. And I'm looking forward because they say it's amazing. So I want to have the bike already serviced and ready for that, because it's a longer travel, so it's certainly more than 1000 kilometers. So this weekend I'll be going alone to the region between or close to Luxembourg, the Eiffel Park and some of the Moselle River and things like that, just on my own, just to break in the bike. So taking it easy. I don't like to do hard breakings. I think, you know, taking it easy in the first few kilometers is a better idea. There's a few things I want to say. So as for the engine guards that go there, I don't want to use the same that I used on the previous tracer, because I showed on another video there's a little bit of rust there. I thought I knew which ones I was going to buy. I ordered them, but they are taking forever to deliver, so I might order new ones and cancel the first order. I will keep you posted on that. I don't want to say right now what they are because I haven't made the final decision. And I am thinking seriously of installing top case so that I can carry a little bit more. These side cases from Yamaha are smaller than the ones from Shad. You can see there, they're disassembled from the bike I returned. So I'm gonna sell those, and these ones are smaller. So I might actually install a top case on this bike to store more stuff. And I guess that's it. So I'm gonna be filming a few videos, installing a few things today, tomorrow probably as well, and then editing and uploading. So stay tuned, because more stuff will come, and I hope you like those. Bye.